Hello, Slyfox people! I am so excited to be back with y'all, not just because I've missed you and I love chatting with you and it's like the highlight of my Fridays, but because we have been working so hard to put together this wonderful t-shirt information overload for you, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So say hi, let me know that this is working, because you know technology and it's not always my friend, but I'm so excited to share with you guys today, and I can't wait to hear what you're working on and what your favorite projects are right now and who is the most excited for fall, because I know I am super excited to be in fall. Hi Sarah. And I'm just so excited to be here with y'all today. I cannot wait to start. Like, should I just dive in? I think I should just dive in. So what we have done is we have gathered 6 of our favorite fabrics to make t-shirts, because t-shirt questions are one of the most common questions that we see. People email about it, people post about it in the group. Everyone wants to know, what's the best fabric to make a t-shirt? Because everybody wants the classic, beautiful t-shirt, right? Like, everybody just wants that perfect fitting, perfect for them t-shirt. I know I do. And there's no right answer, because everybody is looking for different things in a t-shirt. Different fits, different flows, everything is different. So we picked our 6 favorite fabrics to make t-shirts. And we had people sew them up in 3 to 4 different fits. So I say 3 to 4 because we have a fitted t-shirt, a classic fit t-shirt, a more comfort fit t-shirt, so a little bit roomier, and then we just ask people to pick something random to make, something that maybe has a feature to it, like a cross front, or some color blocking, or just, you know, on an adorable small child, and we put all of the information together so it's super easy to consume, to see these 6 different fabrics in 4 different fits on different people, so that you can see how they look and what they feel like to you on different people. So I'm super excited to walk through those fabrics today, and then all week long we'll see people sharing their t-shirts in the group, and you'll be able to ask them questions and see what patterns they chose and all of that. Plus, you know I'm going to tell you about a sale at the end of this, right? Like, you know there's going to be a sale. So let's dive right in with, I think the most obvious first fabric is double brush poly. It is our best-selling fabric overall. It is a fan favorite. It is a Stephanie favorite. I love me some double brush poly. It's so soft and wonderful. So the lovely Connie sewed up double brush poly into 4 different shirts. So she sewed up this. I've just got an example of each one. I'm not going to bombard you with all of these, because I know you're just like, get to the end, tell us about the sale, and tell me who's winning what. I know what you're here for. So she sewed up 4 different shirts in double brush poly. So she used 3 different double brush polys, and then she color blocked for her fancy shirt to show what double brush poly looks like color blocked, which I think is really great, because it's such a fun fabric to mix and match. We have so many different colors and prints, and she did such a great job mixing 2 prints and a solid to make such a beautiful shirt. So one of the fabrics that she used is this Starburst in Ivory. I will tell you about the content of this fabric. The content will vary slightly between the 4 fabrics, 3 or 4 fabrics used. This one is a 96.4 poly spandex blend. It's 180 GSM, and it's got 50% horizontal stretch and 25% vertical stretch. So if you're looking for something that's really versatile, it's gonna work for just about any top pattern that you want. You don't have to worry about whether you need vertical stretch, because some shirts do, some shirts don't. Double brush poly is going to be a really easy choice, and it's going to feel really similar to work with every time. There's not a lot of differences between them, and they just feel great on your skin. So check out Connie this week, looking for her post. She sewed up 4 beautiful tops that I also need to track down and sew up, because they're super cute, to see the different fits of double brush poly on the lovely Connie. Hi Heather. Happy to have you here with us today. And then the next fabric I have for you, this is kind of a cheat, because Virginia is going to be modeling this, but I'm the one who sewed them up for her because she doesn't love sewing. I know. She loves the end result of sewing though, so she was very happy to be my model. Hi Sequoia, hi Shayna. So Virginia is modeling TriBlend, which is one of her very, very favorite fabrics for t-shirts. She absolutely loves the lightness and the breathability of the TriBlend. So she is rocking 4 different colors in 4 very different shirts. I tried to pick some fun ones with some great features to them so you can see how they sew up with different options, because sometimes neckbands are confusing, and sometimes you just don't know how a fabric is going to look when you do different things to it. So the one I'm showing you today is our yellow, but she is rocking 4 different colors that I am going to steal out of her closet. No one tell her. So TriBlend is a blend of polyester, cotton, and rayon. So if you're looking for something that's easy to sew with and fairly wrinkle-free with the polyester, but you're looking for more breathability, the cotton and rayon in this makes this so comfortable to wear. Talking Atlanta summers and humidity and craziness, I never ever overheat in my TriBlend. It is a lighter weight fabric, so this is 135 GSM, so it's a little bit lighter weight. Some of the lighter colors are going to be a little more sheer. You can see the dark shirt I have underneath a little bit through this. So this is one you might want a tank underneath if you don't want people to see your bra or your body, depending on what you're wearing underneath it. But it's so soft, and the drape is just beautiful, and you'll be able to see how it fits differently on the fitted and the classic and this way, which is so nice to see, because you can really see how the TriBlend, the hand of it, you can really see the folds of the fabric as it hangs off of a body, which is really helpful. This one has 60% horizontal stretch and 25% vertical stretch. So it's pretty stable vertically. It's that 25 vertical is a little more stable than the 25 vertical on the double brush poly, which I know seems confusing because it's the same percentage, but when you feel them, you'll understand the difference. So check out for posts from me of the beautiful Virginia this week of her 4 beautiful TriBlend tops. And then after that, you will see, well, not after that, I don't know when these people are going to post. We're all going to just be posting all week to share our beautiful makes with you. So if you are interested in French terry, look for the very lovely Shayna Mack in French terry. So she sewed up not just for her, but also for her husband, so you can see some French terry on a male model. And Shayna is rocking the cutest little baby bump, so you can see how it behaves for maternity as well, which I just think is so helpful. But she picked 4 French terries that are all similar in weight. So this is a 160 GSM French terry. So our French terries range from about 160. I think we also have maybe some 140, some a little bit lighter, all the way up to like 250 GSM. So French terry has a really big range of weight, which makes it a really versatile fabric, but it also means that pay a little bit closer attention if you are looking for this kind of mid to lightweight drape and beauty. Maybe don't grab the 250. If you're looking for something that's a little sturdier, a little more structured, maybe a little bit warmer, that 250 is going to be a beautiful choice. But do pay attention to weights on those French terries because they vary so greatly. So this one is a rayon poly spandex blend, and when we list the rayon first, that means it's the biggest percentage. So this is a mostly rayon fabric, which is wonderful. This is our Merlot, by the way. So if you are looking for that breathability, but again, a little bit of polyester for ease and wrinkleness, lack of wrinkles, those that have rayon in them are going to be a really excellent choice. Plus, look at this beautiful shine. It just has that beautiful little shimmer to it that I just love about rayon fabrics. This one has 40% horizontal stretch and 10% vertical stretch. So it's still quite versatile, and I'm going to go with really comfortable. Well, I haven't made a shirt out of this yet. It's so soft to the touch. It's so comfortable to like just have on my body right now. And Shayna looks adorable in the photo, so it's got to be great. Also, her husband loved the colors that she chose, so I'm going to say guy-friendly colors and wearability. So that's always a win. Up after that, we have another adorable baby bump on our lovely Sarah Miller, who is rocking the Nub Jersey. So we love the Nub Jersey for another really lightweight option. So I've got the mustard here to show you today, but she used Oh, she was just 2 different colors. So her husband and her son, the one that's on the outside, not the baby that's still on the inside, obviously, are all rocking the mustard. And then she is also rocking the red hot Nub Jersey for one of her shirts. And y'all, this is so soft. So this is a poly linen blend. So there's no spandex in this. So if you're a person who doesn't love spandex, or your skin hates spandex, because I know that sometimes skin and spandex are not friends, this is so soft and it's so lightweight. So this is a 130 GSM weight, but it feels dreamy. And the drape on it, oh, I'm so sorry, I hit my computer. The drape on this is so wonderful. It's soft and it's flowy and it's beautiful. This one has 90% horizontal stretch, and then it's stable vertically. So if you're looking for that lighter weight fabric that's also quite stable, this is a really wonderful choice. I absolutely love our Nub Jersey. Again, it's so soft. How many times can I say that? I don't know. I'm going to keep saying it because it's amazing. So keep an eye out for Sarah's post this week as she shares her beautiful makes and her adorable family pictures with her Nub Jersey. And then we have the lovely Sequoia, who is, I think, the most fabulous rocker of prints in the world. She always mixes and matches these beautiful prints that I love on her, and she rocked our DTYs. So we asked her to sew up 4 shirts in a DTY, and she picked the most beautiful prints that I'm in love with, one of which is already sold out, which is crazy talk, but you can check out how the fits look on her in the different fits, and then the beautiful t-shirt that she did for her extra, which is just lovely. So this one is the Floral Glen Plaid, which I love it. It's so beautiful. It's got these beautiful red plaid stripes in it. It's just so beautiful and so simple, and she makes it look so good. So this one is a poly spandex blend. It's 180 GSM, so it's super similar to our double brush poly because it's the base of our double brush polys. And it's got 50% horizontal stretch and 25% vertical stretch. I absolutely love this, so please check out Sequoia's pictures all week. I think she also has a blog coming out, so go ahead and support her over there and check it out. I cannot wait for you guys to see all the things that she made. And then, of course, if I'm sewing for my sister, I also had to sew for myself. She doesn't get all the new shirts just on her own. And I chose Modal for my fabric. So that's our last fabric is Modal. I've got the mustard gold here to show you. So I picked all Modals with 250 GSM. So we do have a few weights on the website. So I picked all ones that have the same weight, so you could really see the same fabric just in different colors and 4 different shirts. So this is our mustard gold. So this is a rayon spandex blend. So if you are looking for all natural fabrics with a little bit of spandex in there for stretch and recovery, Modal is going to be our favorite choice for these fabrics. There are definitely other fabrics on the website. We tried to limit ourselves to just 6 because there's so many beautiful t-shirts to be made. This is 250 GSM, so it's a little bit heavier weight, but it doesn't wear like it's a heavier weight. It still feels light and breezy because of that Modal fiber. This has 50% horizontal and 50% vertical stretch. It's so comfortable to wear. I am wearing my nope, what is this? This is the relaxed fit. So this is the Made for Mermaids Ava. I know you can't see all of it because I only show some of myself on camera, but this is our hazelnut colorway. This is by far my new favorite shirt. I've worn it like 6 times since I made it a few weeks ago. I just keep washing it and re-wearing it because it's just so light and comfortable. The color is so beautiful and rich. So it's by far my favorite of my 4 shirts, but I have also worn the others at least once or twice since I made them, so they're all wonderful. I love Modal. I know I say that every time we have it, but it's so luscious. So those are our 6 fabrics. Keep an eye on the group. All week we'll be sharing, we and all the people who sewed will be sharing their beautiful makes with you and their thoughts and feelings on the different fits of their fabrics. I will be gushing every day this week because I've got 8 shirts to share. And I will ask Virginia to hop on and share her thoughts on the wearability of her TriBlends as well, since she didn't sew them. So you can get the full perspective. So because we just want to make t-shirt making as easy as possible for you, we've made a beautiful graphic so that you can look at the different fits of the different fabrics and really compare them side by side super easily. And we will send that out to you in an email a little bit later tomorrow. I think it goes out tomorrow, but I will post it in the group a little bit later today so you can grab it. And because we love these 6 fabrics so very much, we are doing a 40% off sale, all 6 of these fabrics. So double brush poly, French terry, Modal, Nub Jersey, TriBlend, and DTY, all 40% off of regular price, starting here in just a few minutes as soon as I stop talking at you, and running through next Friday, September 30th. You'll use the code PERFECT-T, that's just perfect and then the letter T. 40% off regular non-sale price of these 6 t-shirt fabrics. Pay attention to the group to see everybody shares and fall in love with maybe something a little bit new for you, or snag all of your favorites. And then I will be back next week with brand new fabrics that I'm so excited to share with you. They're luscious and beautiful, and I cannot wait. And then, of course, I have a review winner. So the last time that we had, Marty Morgan is our winner. So congratulations, Marty. If you'll go ahead and email us at info@slyfoxfabrics.com, we'll arrange to ship those out to you. Don't forget to comment all week on this video. Every comment enters you to win 1 yard of each of the 6 fabrics that I showed today. They're beautiful and they're lovely and they look great together. Sarah did a really good job. They look amazing. So thanks for hanging out with me. Have so much fun, and I cannot wait to share all of our beautiful t-shirts with you. Happy sewing, everyone!